Welcome everyone to my channel BioWorld once again. So today with the structure of nephron, that is unit of kidney, I have come. What are the parts of the nephron? And the structure looks like this, which I have done on the board. In this particular video we will be talking about the structure and the different parts of the nephron. And with the next followed video I would be talking about the function of the parts of the nephron and the mechanism of urine formation in it. That is very important for the board examination as well as Neet aspirant also. So what happened here in the nephron will be continuing after this video. In this video, let's talk about the structure and parts of nephron. That is the unit of kidney. Now we know that there are millions of nephrons embedded in the kidney. That does the function of urine formation, that is filtration of the blood. So what are the parts? Now starting from the first part, you can see the structure which is cup-shaped structure called Bowman's capsule. Now Bowman's capsule has a structure which is lined with the epithelial cells even, and it has a network of capillaries inside, that is the blood capillaries, which is called glomerulus. Now glomerulus along with Bowman's capsule constitute Malpighian capsule. And glomerulus comes from the division of the capillaries that comes from renal artery and branches into afferent arteriole, which is, you can see, wider in diameter, whereas it branch out after the formation, all the mechanism which ultimately branch into the narrower diameter arteriole, which is called efferent arteriole. That you can see the diameter of them has a difference, that is, this one is wider and whereas this one is narrower. That ultimately will helps in the process of ultrafiltration. Now this is full structure which constitute the structure called Malpighian capsule, also known as Malpighian corpuscle. Now this Bowman's capsule has lining of squamous epithelial cells which ultimately gets the filtered blood from the tuft of capillaries called glomerulus. Now after this structure, Bowman's capsule continues in the form of tubular convoluted structure, the first one called PCT. The full form is proximal convoluted tubule, and then PCT give rise to a loop structure called loop of Henle. Loop of Henle continues with the second convoluted structure called DCT, which is called distal convoluted tubule. Distal convoluted tubule ultimately continues with a structure called collecting duct, which after the full process of urine formation, when urine is ultimately formed, is drained into this duct. This duct carries the urine to the structure called ureter, and from the ureter, which comes out from the renal pelvis of the kidney, gets into the urinary bladder, and from the urinary bladder it gets out of the body from urethra. So the parts lies in the kidney. So mainly the first part you can see lies in the cortex of the kidney, that is the Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, whereas PCT also lies in the cortex of the kidney, DCT also lies in the cortex of the kidney, but loop of Henle and the lower part of the collecting duct comes into the medulla part of the kidney. These were the structure of the nephron In the next video, I will be talking about the mechanism of urine formation and how this structure helps in the formation of urine. So thank you for watching it. Coming soon with the next video. Thank you.